you get to watch and maybe listen to the tea kettle. Yeah, there's no way not to spill. And that's just good enough. I don't want too much because then it'll be hard to get it warm. All I need is warm. Something to cut the grease a little bit. It's about as still a night as you can imagine. Perfect. Anyways, so we got our water. I'll put this one bucket away, this tote here. Nice thing about camping in the winter is you can use your shower for storage. I just go home once a day, shower up, grab some electricity, come back, maybe take a nap, get you repositioned height-wise. There we go. Here she goes. That's about it. Oh, one a little bit higher pitch. That'll wake you up if you're in the tent waiting for your water to boil. So I'll just dump that right in with the cold. I don't think it's going to heat it up a whole lot, but I just need warm. This might be more difficult. Just gotta go slow. That's quite a bit. Should get nice warm water. Hope you can see that, but I got a little spillage here, but I don't go barefoot in here. This cap thing has got it real difficult. The cap itself is just real difficult, but it's got this ring to hold it on, and sure comes off easy, but doesn't go on very easy. I have to get on my hands, my feet. I got it. There we go. So that's not fun. But we'll see if it holds air. So the next thing is to put the battery pack on it. Oh, shoot. Which is like this. Well, I don't know if it's lithium or not. Who knows? But get this up here. This is a little difficult here. So here's the sprayer, and here's where it hooks up to the battery pack. So that. Battery pack, which I've got a little, like a tire cap for air valve cover. And you gotta get these really tight, or else you get leakage. Same with this top here. So let's go. Oh. See how long that takes? 6:43. I thought I was done with this sprayer, because the original one of these sprayers was it came apart, and then I lost parts, and it took me a lot of searching to find this one on Amazon, but it was only like $5 or something like that. Probably $6, $7 with shipping. Not positive I got this on there. Yeah, now I know it's all the way on. See if there's any more spots I could tighten it. No. There we go. Set that over there. And we can wait. It's just about not worth it how much work that dish sprayer is. But for a shower, it's nice. It's not that bad to have to wait. So that was Ellie and Kieran.
We're gonna do a couple more songs together. This next one's called Super Microflowers.
Well, it's airing up. This is Bad Habits. So she's looking good right now. And oh, I'll edit that out. So on this on this controller here, you can see it coming up. It's 1.4 and it's set at 5. And I used to be able to change that setting from 5 pounds of pressure, but it just quit working. Maybe I'm doing it wrong, who knows. And it's probably got enough pressure in it right now, but I'm gonna let it go up higher, then it might shut the pump off when it gets to that 5 pounds. And then we're ready to do dishes. Let's see. Got you looking way up in the air, don't I? So we're up to 2.8, and there is a temperature gauge on the side of this. Oh, look at that. 79 degrees. And it's pretty accurate. I've checked it with a food thermometer. So that's pretty cool. I got some half-used dishwater. I'm going to dump that. If I was really skimping for water, you know, I would have used that because it wasn't very dirty, that dishwater. So here we go. Show you that. Oh, look at that, it's leaking.